Why is proper ingest vital for proxy video production? Imagine trying to edit a high-resolution video and your computer keeps lagging or dropping frames. That's where proper ingest comes into play. It's the first step in making your editing process smooth and efficient. When you bring your raw footage into your editing system, you want to do it correctly. This means organizing your files, linking proxies properly, and preserving important details like timecodes and metadata. If you skip this step or do it poorly, you risk losing track of your media or spending hours relinking files later. Proxies are smaller, lower-resolution copies of your original high-resolution videos. They are a lifesaver during editing because they make playback faster and reduce the load on your computer. Without proxies, working with for degrees Kelvin or higher resolution footage can cause slow performance, dropped frames, and frustration. Proper ingest ensures that your proxies are created correctly and linked to the original files from the start. This linkage allows you to switch between proxies and full-resolution files easily, saving you time and effort. Another key reason proper ingest matters is organization. When you import footage using clear folder structures and consistent naming conventions, Adobe Premiere Pro or other Adobe software can recognize and manage your media better. This prevents misplaced files and makes your workflow more predictable. Also, ingesting correctly preserves important data like timecodes and clip information. This is especially helpful when syncing footage from multiple cameras or working on complex projects. During ingest, you can also set up proxy creation presets. These presets determine the resolution, codec, and file location for your proxies. Using Adobe Media Encoder presets during ingest helps you create proxies that balance quality and performance. This way, your proxies look good enough for editing but are small enough to work with smoothly. It also makes relinking to the original high-resolution files straightforward when you're ready to export. Proper ingest supports Adobe's proxy workflow features. For example, you can automatically generate proxies when importing media, add watermarks to proxies for easy identification, and toggle between proxies and full-resolution files in the program monitor. These features save time and reduce technical issues during editing. In practical terms, always import footage through Adobe Premiere Pro's media browser, or use ingest presets that enable automatic proxy creation. Keep your original and proxy files organized in dedicated folders with clear names. Use Adobe Media Encoder to generate proxies with settings optimized for your project's resolution and codec needs. Enable proxy indicators or watermarks in Premiere Pro so you can easily see which files are proxies during editing. Before starting detailed editing or exporting, double-check that proxies are properly linked to the original files. Following these steps makes your proxy workflow reliable and efficient. It reduces delays, prevents errors, and lets you focus on the creative side of editing. When you master proper ingest, you can work confidently with high-resolution footage even on less powerful hardware. This is the foundation that keeps your video production process running smoothly from start to finish.